Condensation is the process whereby water vapour, or a gas, turns into a liquid. It happens when the particles in the water vapour, or the gas, cool down and come back together to form the water. It's the exact opposite of evaporation. For example, when a really cold surface of an aluminium drinking can comes into contact with the water vapour in the air, it can cool some of them down enough to turn them back into liquid. And we see this as the small water droplets on the outside of our drinking cans all the time. So condensation happens because of temperature changes, and warmer air can contain more water vapour than the colder air. So when air rises up from the heated Earth's surface, for example from a puddle, up into the sky, because we know that warm air rises, to where the temperatures are colder up in the sky, condensation happens and clouds are formed. And clouds, when they're cold enough, can often consist of ice crystals. And as more water droplets form, they begin to fuse together and become too heavy to remain up in the air. And this is when they fall as precipitation. Now we might see this as rain, hail, sleet, or snow.